we have done with the living part that we have completed. Now come to the references. Reference in a sense like some books, or we have some publications and all. So first one is the key. Key, it is very, very important, and definitely there will be one question from the key. That much important it is. Okay. So what is key? Please write down. It is the analytical. This is the main word. The word analytical. This we should use for the key. Okay. Taxonomic aids which maintains the similarities and differences among the behavior. That behavior may be morphological, anatomical, etc. among the species. So here we are going to do the analysis. Okay, by seeing this publication, by seeing this book, we are going to analyze the data. So what kind of data we need to see? There, what are the similarities or what are the differences among the organisms that we need to focus on. Then please write down one more point here. In keys, the two contrasting characters are couplet, are known as couplet, and its statement is known as lead. Okay, so two things we have. One is couplet. Couplets are the contrasting information, contrasting character, and for that contrasting character, whatever statement you have given, that statement is known as lead. So these three words actually we need to know: key, couplet, and lead. Suppose we got one lead, and suppose we don't know about this lead, right? So if you don't know about the species, then what you are going to do? First, we need to collect all the information, right? Description, that means, and that is known as what? Identification. After characterization, everything, then we have to go for what? Identification. So suppose in that identification part, when I come to know that I have seen what? Leaf. So my key will be leaf. So these two are the couplet. Let me tell you, these two are the what? Couplets. Okay. And in that couplet, I have written one statement, right? See here what I have written. It is the dicot. And here what it should be? It is the monocot. So whatever information or statement you have given for that particular couplet, then that is known as what? Lead. That means it will give you one lead point. So by seeing that lead point, I will go and I will search again. So this is what the key is. Next is flora. It is the, please write down, collection of plant in a given area. Okay. Suppose if I'll tell that go and find some plant of this type in your garden. So you are just moving into the garden and you have searched that particular type of plant and you have collected all the information of that particular sample or the species. Then that is considered as what? Flora. Flora is also a book. Okay, it is a book only, and in that book, for a particular region, we need to write all the information about that particular species. Then that is known as flora, right? Similarly, the same thing is there for the fauna. Yes, here just we need to do what? Collection of animals in a given area. So in a given area, if I am collecting some information about a particular species of animal, it should be, right? So then that is known as fauna. So that is a part, that is a kind of book only. Again, we have written so many points about that particular species, right? So these two are very, very simple, right? Now, come to number 4th point, and that is what? Manual. It is the list of characters or information for identification of name of species in a particular area. That is, this is something like, we can say it is the name book. Yes, just to identify some information, character, that means you just identify it and make one list, and from that list, if I can give the name of the species, then that is known as manual. So it is something we can consider it as a name book. Let me go for the 5th point, and this is what? Monograph. So what is monograph? Please write down. Study of any one of the taxon, any one taxon. So we know what are the taxons, right? Taxons may be like species, I can say, or it may be genus. Yes, from genus also I can give some taxon, or kingdom. Yes, that means suppose if I am describing about the plantae, that means I'll study about the plantae only. That is the taxon, right? So study of any one taxon from anything it may be, right? By considering list of characters. This is known as monograph. So to study taxon, I need monograph. To give name, I need manual. Okay. Last, number 6, and that is catalog. Please note it down, then we will write catalogs. Catalog is nothing but some kind of alphabetically order, like dictionary we have. Yes. So in dictionary, how we need to see the words, just see the alphabets and all, right? First A, first then B, like that we used to see. So here also the same thing. So please write down, it is the alphabetical order of plant species in museum, yes, or in botanical garden, etc. That is, if you entered into a museum and you are looking for one particular species, then you can't, like, if you have no time, you can't go and visit whole place, right? Then what you must have, one catalog you must have, and by alphabetical order only you can search that specimen, you can collect the information, and you can go for your work, right? So that you can do. So these 3 points are actually very difficult. What we used to do, we used to mix up all those informations. Manual is the naming book. Monograph is to study one particular taxon, only one, okay, anything it may be. And catalog is what? Alphabetical order of identifying some plant species in museum, botanical garden, etc. Fine. So these are the points. That's what we need to know from this particular chapter. So we have finished the chapter. If anybody want to discuss any question or any topic, please discuss. Otherwise, we are going to wind up this chapter.